My site Regiondex is about the different regions of the Pokemon world. I created this site to give Pokenerds more information on the 7 major regions of the Pokemon world. Regiondex is for anyone who wants to learn more about the Pokeverse. I made Regiondex because of the lack of consolidated information about the Pokemon regions. Just to get a basic understanding of a single region, you would have to go to multiple sites. Here on Regiondex, I put all the info eggs in one basket. It's a one-stop shop for consolidated information about the 7 Pokemon regions presented in a visually appealing package. As far as the layout goes, I took advantage of the CSS 2-column layout from the book with the navigation on the left and the main content on the right. The index page of my site shows an example of the layout. I used a wrapper to separate the rest of the page from the background. The same layout is repeated on every page in order to have coherence. For the color aspect of the page, I chose the classic Pokemon logo, which utilized 1 dark yellow, 1 dark blue, 1 light yellow, and 1 light blue. Out of those 4 colors, I chose contrasting colors between text and background for ease of reading. As shown here on the Kanto region page, I used the light yellow on a dark blue background to make Regiondex stand out. Originally, the dark yellow background was too plain, so I added a repeating logo in behind the wrapper. When it comes to the organization, I divided the content into sections. The horizontal rule was used to achieve the divisions. I used the principle of proximity by grouping related items. There was a lot of data to organize about the gym leaders. So as you can see on the Johto page, I used a table to arrange this information. For the navigation aspect of the package, I aligned all of the links in a column. In order to make it clear that there were links, I mostly left the text formatting to default. For example, in the navigation bar, there are links to each region page, like the Hoenn and the Sinnoh regions. One challenge I had during this project was confusion about the instructions when planning the site. The instructions said 8 pages. And I thought about making a site about the 8 Pokemon regions, because the region to page ratio would be 1:1. My original plan was to have index, facts, about us, contact us, and the 8 region pages. But then it was clarified that the 8-page limit would include everything. Then I had to merge my planned facts, about us, contact us, an index page into one and lose the Galar region for the project. Another challenge I had was the differences in the 7th region compared to the previous 6 regions. Regions 2 through 6 were able to have Kanto as a prototype, but Region 7 had differences in demographic information. Region 7 needed to have the modifications such as the kahunas, of which there are 4, and the 4 completion stamps for the trials, instead of the 8 gym leaders and the 8 gym badges. I plan to add features to the site in the future. Because this version only covers the first 7 major regions, there will be more regions coming in the future. I will eventually add a Pokédex, an item dex, a movie dex, a game dex, and a card dex. I feel happy about the site because I can add on to it in the future.